Do you think that a healthy mind needs a healthy body? And with a healthy mind, you can take control of your life. If you agree with this, I will urge you to listen for the next 2 minutes. Hi guys, I am Rajesh. I am an entrepreneur, but apart from my work, I like to travel, exercise, sing, play tabla, play a bit of martial art, and enjoy my life. I have always been a fitness freak, but a few years ago, my life had become a bit of monotonous and boring, resulting into bad health, bad food habits, bad sleeping habits, no time to meet friends, no time to travel, no time to nurture my hobbies. So on one side, I was earning a lot of money, but on the other side, I was not living the life I have always wanted to live. And I'm pretty certain that most of you would be relating to this problem. This is the time when I started my transformation journey, and let me tell you friends, it is not at all difficult if you are committed to yourself. When you work on your body and nurture it with a good diet, you will start seeing positive changes in your mental health, and the resultant transformation in the quality of your life is astounding. My friends have been insisting me to share my experience on social media to push and motivate people who want to start their transformation journey. But as all of you know, there are so many people and channels who are already talking about physical and mental fitness. So I decided that I will not only talk and give gyan, but instead of that, I will act. So I have come up with a 180-day guided program where we will be focusing on strength, flexibility by way of yoga, some good food habits, and those small changes which you need to make in your daily lifestyle. There will be a daily dose of exercise and yoga where all of us will work out together. I have named this project as Project Parivartan, and we go live on 10/10/20, that is 10th October 2020. The only thing which I need from you is to commit to this project by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon. Follow the process for 180 days and see transformation happen. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where we will talk about fun, food and fitness. Let me tell you, this entire program is absolutely free with no strings attached. I am only doing this because spreading awareness about fitness and health is my passion. So see you on 10/10/20. Are you ready for your Parivartan?